Hey, Bolo Buddies, thanks for watching. All right, you guys, my name's Courtney, also known as Bolo Buddies. This is my second channel. My main channel is Bolo Buddies. So if you're not following me there, definitely go check that out. I will have it linked down below. This is a 7-part series. It's kind of a interactive, fun video where I share Bolo items with you, items to be on the lookout for, items you can buy low and sell high. And you're going to guess which item was sold by on eBay by a Goodwill. So if you don't know, eBay, Goodwills have stores on eBay. Did you know that? Let me know in the comments if you knew that. I do have videos on my main channel where I feature Goodwill eBay stores. So check those out. Definitely pretty interesting. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 Bolo items. 5 of them are going to be from featured members. One of them is going to be from the Goodwill. Now you're asking, what is a featured member? Over on my Bolo Buddies channel, you can join memberships for perks, which is basically you get a shout out in a video. This is a bonus video. I always try to do a bonus video. I don't know how long I'll be able to keep that up, but for now, I'm having fun with it. So you can check out the featured members video over on my main channel. All right, so I'm going to start by showing you the 5 featured members. And if you guys watch the featured members video, you may guess who sold some of these items, especially in this video. So stay tuned for that. So I'm going to show you the 5, basically just give you a brief, like this is their store, this is their eBay channel. You guys want more details, you can go down to the description. I've got everybody linked there. Then I'm going to show you the 6 items. While I'm showing them, you're going to try to figure out which one was sold on eBay by the Goodwill. And you're going to put that down in the comments. Then we're going to take a brief intermission. I'm going to show you my trailer, and then we are going to come back to those items, and I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for, if it was from a featured member, and if it was from the Goodwill, I'm going to be like, did you get it right? All right, you guys, let's get started here. And these videos are going to be short and sweet, like 8 to 9 minutes. All right, so the first person that's featured is the Philly Flipper. You guys, he has an awesome channel. He does a lot of yard sale videos, so go check him out. We've got Danielle Yard Sales and Dreams, also does yard sale content, but has other content as well. Both super knowledgeable. We've got Butterfly Hustles, who does a lot of thrifting videos and super knowledgeable as well. You guys, these resellers are fantastic. A Little Bluebird does not have a YouTube channel. Actually, she has one, but she doesn't post a whole lot over there. So she preferred that I share her eBay store. So it's linked down below. And then we've got Donatella Bottolino, who does live YouTube selling events. And it's a great place to source if you're a reseller. Just to plug my other channel and my videos, I do buy things from Donatella Bottolino and Auctions for You. And I have videos on my main channel of me unboxing those items. I list everything. I tell you what I paid for everything. And then I tell you how I listed it and what has sold so far. So if you're interested in seeing that they sell good stuff, you can check out my videos. I have yet to be disappointed. All right, you guys, are you ready to see the 6 Bolos? Now, remember, you're trying to figure out which one was sold on eBay by a Goodwill store. Okay, so these vintage Arizona laminated placemats. Pretty cool item. I don't know that I would have picked this up, so I thought it was intriguing, and that's why I picked it. So let me know what you guys think. The next item is this Winnie the Pooh Piglet Disney t-shirt. Looks like this sold for $47.60, and the buyer paid shipping. The next item are these Lego Star Wars minifigures, and they are just little Lego minifigures. If you guys don't know, you can definitely sell just the minifigures. These sold for $45 plus shipping. The next item is super, super cool. It is a Japanese animation vintage VHS. You guys, some VHS are going for crazy money right now. This one sold for $46.07 plus shipping. And let me know, would you have passed on this because it was not in English, or would you have bought it? The next item is this 8-track tape. It is a very rare tape, 8-track tape, and it sold for $60 plus shipping. The next item is this Build-A-Bear Joker, and it sold for $50 plus free shipping. All right, you guys, guess which one was sold by the Goodwill on eBay? Go ahead and put that in the comments. We're going to take a brief intermission right here. Here is my trailer. Hey, Bolo Buddies, thanks for watching. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. Full-time reseller. $600 for a My Little Pony. Amazing, right? All right, let's get started. All right, you guys, we are back. So we'll just go ahead and start with this item. If you guys watch my channel on a regular basis, I have talked about Donatella Bottolino doing this special thing with her plush where she kind of turns it to the side and does a close-up. And she thinks that this helps her sell her items quicker because they stand out in the listing. So Donatella does the YouTube selling events where she sells stuff to resellers, but she also has an eBay store, but she doesn't list much in it. But she has a lot of tips. So when she's doing these selling events, she will tell you things like this that will help you learn because she used to sell on eBay full time. All right. So that one was from Donatella Bottolino. She buys in bulk. It was a wholesale buy. So I can't really tell you what she's paid for it, but she sold it for $50 free shipping. This 8-track. Now, you guys, if you follow Philly Flipper, he talked about this in one of his videos. You guys, 8-tracks really range from bread and butter to big money. It just really depends. This one was a really hard to find rare item that sold for $60 plus shipping. He got this for 10 cents at a yard sale. So definitely a great find. The next item comes from a little bluebird. Again, let me know in the comments, would you guys have picked this up or just walked past it because it was not in English? Let me know. She got this at a yard sale. Nope. Yeah, a yard sale for 50 cents and it sold in 10 days. The next item is the Goodwill eBay store, you guys. And this sold for $45 plus shipping, and it was obviously donated to the store. The next item, this Pooh shirt, was picked up from Yard Sales and Dreams for $2 at a yard sale. She took a best offer of $35 plus shipping. And the last item comes from Butterfly Hustles. These are laminated placemats. Now, she did take a best offer on this for $30. She got them at a thrift store called Value Village for $2. And I just thought this one was really unique and different. And $30 is a great price for some placemats, laminated placemats. So great way to learn. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Again, this is a 7-part series, so check out the ones before and the ones after. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Feedback, let me know what you think about this series. If you like it, do you want me to bring it back or just okay? I don't know. I just thought it would be fun. So I appreciate you guys being here. I appreciate you watching. If you do want to join memberships, again, that's over on my other channel. It is not required. If you want your Bolo to be shared for free, I just share the Bolo. There's no shout out that goes along with it, but you can go over to my Bolo Buddies Facebook group, and under the announcements or the featured section, there is a post and it'll say, share your best toy Bolo or share your best, trying to think of some of the other ones, plush Bolo. And then you attach a screenshot and then I create videos for those. Those are typically say in the title, Facebook members share. If you guys want to see how those work, they are a fantastic way to learn. Number one, you know the item sold, it got paid for, it was shipped, and it was a good sale because members of the group are sharing these items. So if you want to see your item, your Bolo, in a video, go over to my Facebook group and join. All right, you guys, thank you so much Again, let's do an emoji of an ow if you made it this far. Thanks for watching. This video is going to be more like 10 minutes. Sorry. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.